Hello my beautiful people, today we're going to try out more TikTok makeup hacks. You guys, I'm seeing a lot of videos with these beautiful girls trying this eyeshadow hack technique. It looks extremely easy, but I'm a little bit skeptical. I can never say that word, skeptical. So I guess we're gonna put this to the test today, and if you guys are curious to see what the heck I'm talking about, take a look. Just take a look. Isn't that extremely easy? I mean, it looks like so. But we're gonna put this hack, eyeshadow hack, to the test in today's video. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. You guys, this is like too good to be true. I don't know. I have this girl that I know her. We spoke a few times. She perfected this technique and she makes it look extremely easy, and I really want to try it because I was like, that's too easy. Like that's extremely easy to be true. So I'm going to put this eyeshadow blending technique to the test today because it made me so curious. So first of all, she's using tape. I already did my face makeup, but I'm still going to use the tape because we're gonna achieve that beautiful cut, whatever. Anyway, you will see in a second, okay? So I'm going to use tape, even though I did do my face makeup. I mean, she has her face makeup in her videos as well, so I'm assuming the tape will remove just a little bit of my makeup. But I haven't set my under eyes and my lids with powder. As you can see, they're super creased in there. She said she's using a sticky base, like an eyeshadow base, concealer, whatever. Use whatever you have. I'm having on my lids, I'm having this Rare Beauty concealer, and you guys, I'm starting to like this, and I'm pretty sure it's already expired, but we're gonna support our girl Selena anyway, even though this is expired. I love her. She says it's best to not go and build the eyeshadows, because once you blend them, they will like fade away a little bit. So I think I'm going to use this one because it's more pigmented. I have two eyeshadow brushes, like two, oh my goodness, I forgot the name. Like, how would you call these? Flat eyeshadow brushes to pack the eyeshadow in there. And also I'm going to need a blending brush, and I'm going to use these 3 shades. I do like, there's a lot of cat hair in there, so beach next. Okay, I'm going to try to remove the sticky residue on the back of my hand, and I really hope this won't ruin my makeup. Okay, I think that looks good, right? Like the angle and stuff. Let's try to achieve the same on this other side. Ow! Oh yeah, definitely it removes my makeup. Nailed it. I'm going to smooth a little bit my concealer. So as I said, I have the Rare Beauty concealer. I'm thinking to set this one to see which one works better, like on a wet base or on a dry base, but I'm pretty sure it works better on a wet base because the eyeshadow just grips on it. So I'm starting with the darker shade, and I'm not gonna tap the excess, and I really hope I won't be getting fallout on my face. Let's just tap a little bit. She's applying them on an angle. It's not like a straight line. She's like a 45 degrees angle, I think. That's 45 degrees, maybe. Ah, that's so scary. Scary. Yes, yes, yes. I'm cleaning my brush. I'm removing the eyeshadow. And I'm going to go with Cafecito, which is a little bit lighter, and I'm packing my brush. I'm not joking, okay? Just a little tap there, and again I'm following the same angle, and it looks like they are both the same. I mean, on camera this one looks just a hint lighter. Should I go a little bit higher here? Oh, I'm packing my brush here, okay? That's a lot of eyeshadow. Pack. I want a... Listen, okay, listen. I know I'm all over the place, but I want a fourth shade in there, okay? Should I go with Tati? Tati, she found a dupe for this eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, I haven't watched that video, but I saw the thumbnail. Yes, yes, yes. I think I'm going to go with this one. Beautiful nude brown. And look at my concealer, is already creased in there. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm going to pick Café con Leche from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm using the same brush but the other side. Oh my goodness, I thought I wasn't recording. I hate when that happens. Like, I get anxious for no reason. And this will be the fourth eyeshadow. Oh, you can even see that. Next, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to slowly blend them like in the same place. Like, I'm not gonna drag my brush everywhere because I mean, she said to do that. Also, Deepika or Smita Deepika, I'm sorry if I'm saying her name wrong, but she said to dab. Like, she did the this blending eyeshadow technique, and she said to dab the eyeshadows in the same place, but I want to like slowly... Oh, this is not going great. Like, slowly blending them out. You know what I mean? I hope so. This is not going great for me so far, you guys. Oh, shoot. Like, I'm blending the darker shades and you can see it's not going well. I'm telling you, I was skeptical about this blending technique. Oh yeah, I'm starting to lose pigment. As you can see, they're getting lighter. Okay, let's try to achieve that cat eye effect. But these are not really blending out. What am I doing wrong? Honestly, like, I just packed the eyeshadow. That's all I did. Why they look patchy? You guys, let me know what I'm doing wrong, because I don't know at this point. Like, I packed the eyeshadow and I'm trying to blend it to blend it out. Yes, I think I'm going to set this with powder to see how that works on a dry base, because Smita said she used a dry base. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be here forever trying to blend these two eyeshadows, or at least to make them look not patchy. I'm trying to make this work. Okay, so I'm going to move on with the lighter shades, and again I'm going to blend them in the same place. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. They do not want to blend. This isn't working for me, and I hate that for me. La 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 la. What the heck I'm doing wrong? Can someone please tell me? This is going nowhere, honestly. Yes, they did blend the... Yes, not gonna lie, but they look patchy. You can see the demarcation there. Should I do a thumbnail like this? Yes, zoom you. Let me zoom you out. My brain says to pick a little bit of each eyeshadow with my blending brush and start blending them. I can't even talk. And start blending them, because I don't see an exit from this mess. Like, I don't see the light at the end of the tunnel. Honestly, I'm telling you, I hate to say it, I was right, but bitch, I was right. This hack is a no for me, but let's just not make conclusions, because I said I'm going to set this with powder and see how that works on a dry base. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of each eyeshadow and try to blend this mess. I'm going to go with a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to blend the edge here. I don't know why did I thought it's gonna work. Like, let me know, you guys, what I did wrong, because I don't get it. I do not get it. And also you can even see which shade was darker. Listen, it doesn't look that bad, but the hack totally didn't work for me. With my finger, I'm going to pick a shimmery shade. I'm going to go with Carly Bible, and I'm picking Moo, which is this beautiful shimmery champagne shade. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to apply it right here. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. And now I'm going to blend it with my brush. Oh wow, that was super easy. This is giving 2017. I'm missing the black thick wing liner. Anyway, let's see if we have a clean transition there. Are you guys ready? Oh wow, look at that. Where's my concealer? I do like this, don't get me wrong. Like, the tape thing is so smart, but I recommend to do this before doing your face makeup, because as you can see, that completely removed my concealer there. You guys see that? Yeah, you can see it. You guys, look. 4 on March 4th. I love this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I went and I had lunch. Now I'm having some coffee. Let's continue with this makeup, okay? I already set my concealer on this side and it feels very nice and soft. So I'm going to repeat the exact same steps. Oh, it's not going that great. Going with the second shade. Ooh, nice. So I'm taking again this brush. Let me just clean it a little bit. So I'm going to try to blend these together and see how that goes. Surprisingly, it works much better, but the pigmentation is not that intense. So you definitely need to build this up. Like, look at the difference. This is not going great for me. I need to go places in like 2 hours or so. I would definitely have time to fix this. But I'm so glad that I finally put this blending hack to the test. And again, I hate to say it, but I was 100% right. They definitely do something off camera, like, you know, building the colors and a lot of blending off camera. You don't see that on camera. Like, you see like this, I don't even know, 10 seconds long video. I don't want to be shady, okay? But I'm just trying to be super real with you guys, because we saw this was like uncut, unedited. I'm going to try to make it look as raw as possible. I don't want to make too many edits, so you can see that I'm not like doing anything off camera. I already told you that I tried to build a little bit these shades and blend them together, so I'm not faking anything here, okay? As much as I want for this hack to work for me, it proved me that I was right, okay? This is not that great. This is not that great. Maybe I'm not using the right eyeshadows. That could be a factor for this to not work for me right now. They do like a lot of blending and building the shades off camera. No. You cannot fool me. I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go with my Louise eyeshadow base, if the camera wants to focus, of course. Oh, this is like 3 shades lighter than my concealer. It's okay, it's okay. If this doesn't work either, I give up, okay? This is not the hack for me and I will move on. But I really want to make this work. Wow, that looks hella intense. No, it's not working. It's not working. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. As I said, probably I'm not using the right eyeshadow formula. Maybe because these are like too intense. I don't know, man. But I really wanted this to work. At this point, I'm just laughing at myself because I knew I was wrong. No, I knew I was right, okay? It was way too good to be true. You see what I mean? Like, this is annoying. Listen, I'm glad I put this to the test with you guys here on camera. I honestly feel sorry for how long this video is at this point, but I'm not sorry because I tried, okay? I tried. And you saw me trying, okay? No matter how much I tried, this still didn't work for me. Dry base, dry base, wet base, concealer, eyeshadow base. It's not working. It's not working. At this point, I'm going to try to build the shades and make it work as I did on this eyeshadow. As I did on this side as well. But yeah, you definitely need to put more work into it if you want to make it work. It's not just like applying a few strokes of eyeshadow and then blend them and that's it. Boom, you're done. No.
One eternity later.
Alright, you beautiful people, so this concludes the video for today. As I kept saying through the video, I really wanted to make this work for me, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys tried this hack and it worked for you. Let me know what I did wrong, because I want to know. Maybe I did something wrong. As I said, probably, but I don't know about this, but maybe the formula is like too pigmented for this hack. Just let me know in the comments below. And also, if you gonna give this hack a go, let me know down below if it worked for you. Let me know that juicy stuff down below. And I guess that was it for today. Don't get me wrong, this ended up looking beautiful, but I did put effort into it, okay? I built up the colors, I blended, and like I put more effort into it than you see in those like 10-second long clips. You know what I mean? Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know what you think down below. As I said, any criticisms, I see it as a constructive, so I take it as it is, okay? Or I will take it as it is. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.